Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Gloria, and today I'll be doing a deep clean of my fridge. It looks absolutely filthy. I'm embarrassed. I can't believe I've been using my fridge this dirty, but hey, look how the after looks like. Very nice and clean. This is how I like my fridge to be. I've been so busy, hence why I've left this that long. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, press the like button and notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Press the like button, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps my channel and it means the world to me. To all my new subscribers, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. It really means the world to me. I really appreciate you guys being here. At 30 subscribers might seem a little for others, but it means a lot to me to know that there are 30 people out there who loves my videos and likes watching my videos. And I really appreciate if you could stay tuned and be part of my part of the family. So now I'll be doing a deep clean of my fridge freezer, and you'll see the before and after. It's so satisfying. It's gross to see it messy and dirty, but it's satisfying to see the end result of it. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned.
I'm coming home to you, and I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh.
So to deep clean my fridge, I'm using the Osmo fridge and microwave spray with a cloth and also some tissue.
Places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh.
As I was cleaning my fridge, I've noticed that the water dispenser was quite grubby, so I've decided to see if I can remove the lid, which I have, and I looked in and I was absolutely shocked. Look how disgusting this looks. I could not believe my eyes when I've seen this, and to think it's in water from there, so it's something I'll definitely be doing regularly. I didn't know this could be removed, and when I found out it was removed, yeah, I was glad. And look at the tip, just look at it. That's my evil face right there. It was absolutely grubby. I'm glad I'm getting it over and done with and clean it, deep cleaning it.
You don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
If you've watched my video this far, thank you. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of my channel, my family. It really means the world to me. I might be saying it a lot, but it does really mean the world to me. Genuinely means the world to me to have you on my channel. I started YouTube quite nervous, and I'm still nervous sometimes, and I might get the camera angles and filming wrong, but I am learning. I'm on the learning curve. On my channel, you'll be finding motivation on cleaning, and I'm also doing some lifestyle, some food hauls, some shopping, some vlogs, so anything in between really that I'm filming. If there's any content that you would like to see for me, yeah, feel free to put it down on the comment down below, and then I'll reply to the comment as soon as I can. And it really means the world to me. Stay tuned. Hope you're enjoying the video.
Oh, my body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on. is happening, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Letting go is not a sin. Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you. We're running out of light, time is changing day to night, and you keep asking why. I'm out of control, my body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, oh, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Oh, I don't wanna be running from you, but I know what I'm running from. Oh, you keep saying fine, but I'm not in line. No, no, not this time. 'Cause I will find the way on my own. 'Cause I'm out of control, my body and my soul don't wanna be whole. I don't wanna be. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, oh, 'cause I will find the way on my own. I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights, but you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie.
My fridge is very filthy. Look at that, water. I don't know if it's water or what leaked through there, but it was absolutely filthy. So I was trying to use tissue and it wasn't absorbing quite well, and I've had to get a small plate. But then I eventually got a cloth, which I separate my cloth, so I use this cloth to clean out the dirt first, and then I will spray over in my fridge with the Osmo fridge and microwave spray, and then I will use another clean cloth to wipe over it whilst the fridge will be better and clean.
Of all the things I leave behind, I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone. When nothing's like home, I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Only days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. But I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold. Life is so much more than this. Turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much?
We are now coming to the end of my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to also press the like button. It doesn't cost you anything and it means the world to me to have you on my channel. And if you were my current subscribers, thank you very much for staying loyal to me and then for subscribing to my channel. It also means the world to me. To all my viewers out there who view my channel and do not press like, what are you waiting for? Press that like button. It helps my channel enormously and it doesn't cost you anything. Go on, press that like button. Thank you.
Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Here I am showing you the fridge air freshener. It actually works. It stops all the bad odors from coming out of the fridge. So if you're interested, I got them from Cherry.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna live